Hey West Hills, on Thursday, November 1st, our NDC campus celebrated Dia de los Muertos from 5:30 to 6:30. If you don't already know, Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is a Mexican celebration for families to gather and honor the memory of deceased loved ones. It is also the one night of the year their spirits can come back to visit their families. Students gathered in the lobby that was filled with tons of decorations, warm drinks, and sweet pastries to enjoy while admiring student artwork. One of the main events was an altar decorating contest between 5 beautiful altars covered with offerings that are said to help guide spirits home. There was also beautiful paintings and drawings from our art classes that were displayed throughout the campus. And lastly, to end the event on a wonderful note, a group of dancers from Sunnyside High School performed 2 traditional Spanish songs for the holiday.